Sounds quiet. See this motor, see the motor. Stock! Changing this blow valve and this fucking shitty thing on this cool ass crossbow forest. Yeah. Shit's hot. Bitch is fucking hot. Alright, where's the gloves? Fuck it. Ah, damn, bitch! Fuck. Yeah, hot. Yeah. Medium rare.
Really getting out yet?
Oh, really?
Already has one.
Oh, there is a knife.
I mean, realistically, we can bend.
Oh shit, you recording?
Yeah, it's different.
Give me a second, right?
I mean, oh, give it a hit again.
Bro, look at that.
5 hours of work by me. 5 hours. I'll do the invoice now. Okay, I'm on. Good shit, bro.
One more time. One more time. Do it again.
Wasn't it up here? I think it was up here, wasn't it?
Yeah. Is it?
I'm not saying that. How did he hook it?
What the fuck?
I don't know.
By the way, you might need to adjust the speaker.
Oh. Wait. Huh? Yeah, it's better now. Now you can. Hey, you can hear. You hear the flogger.
Let off slowly when you do it. That's right. Fucking how high do you want to go? Where's my Woo! Shit a lot. Yeah?
Look it up.
Damn!
Oh, sorry, I didn't see sorry. I'm proud.
I love it, mate. Just play off the spring.
Get this fool. Oh shit, actually. Okay, gas stuff. This is how you go rallying in Subies. Yeah. Bro, this guy's from Gran Turismo.
Oh yeah, brother. This thing, man, you need the helmet when you drive.
Bro, it's too much horsepower, bro. Come on. Look at this. What the fuck?
Oh, you're so fucking lucky.
I knew you were gonna get fucking mad. Colin McRae here.
One of these ones.
Clickbait, hey, clickbait video. I got defected. Defected.
Somebody comes to smash into Omar's car. Who has the best amount of followers though? Oh,
Yeah, me, cuz. Come on.
just say your defect. Hey, somebody tell him to smash into
defect
SD
free.
Purple.
They defects breakers.
Hey, move out the way, cunt.
Bro, look at him, bro. He's full of rain, bro.
Distant memories, heartbreak melodies. I cannot wait to see you again. To see you again. Distant memories, heartbreak melodies. I can't.
Oh, what's this? What the fuck?
What the fuck? Are these like videos you have to like watch?
Arabic radio.
Propaganda, bro. What are they listening to? Oh, shit.
Well, you can help niggas set it out. Damn lie, ain't dapping no hands. Set it.
Oh, shit.
Hey, so why are you running forward? Like, I'm not going to shoot you again. No, I'm not. I'm trying to hit him in the eye.
Bro, yeah, he did.
Bro, these are
Shit was crazy.
Hey, you know, while driving, I shot fucking AJ and then fucking Jared, bro.
Hey, for sure, you give us the gun, let me shoot Billy.
Funny lie. 450, you could have bought one for yourself.
Let's go, game up. Alright.
Oh no, this is the biggest speed up fuck.
Oh, shit!
Okay. Gotta be careful doing little.
Oh, look at that.
Fuck. Alright, we're gonna do a sexy up. Oh my god. My clutch. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Oh,
my clutch is gone. Oh my god. You're breaking the car.
So, me, you're breaking the car? Look at that. It's crazy.
Bro, I'm not doing any more launches. I'm done.
God damn.
Alright, cool. Alright, cool.
Hi, Pim. Oh,
Got him down.
fuck, bad.
We're not even in track mode too.
Like a huge,
No,
like,
there's all these speed humps.
So yeah, just a pretty casual night with the homies, doing nothing.
Spinning clutches.
We're not even burning clutches. I don't know what you're talking about. Burning cops. We're doing A-OK. Nothing illegal here. What about? Holy shit, bro! That grips so well. What the hell?
Crazy, bro.
Legit at the end, because yeah, I just had to touch the brake a
I had to
little
touch
bit.
it.
If you didn't touch the brake, you would have fucking just.
Should have touched it a little. It'll better rotate the car a bit.
Yeah, I felt it. The rear kind of kicking out a little bit.
Yeah.
Bro, that was sick. What the hell? That's Mr. Tristan's old car. Yeah. Rest in peace to those days.
What is that?
Look, Roms!
Oh my gosh.
You guys just enjoyed us just doing just a little bit fun rallying stuff, you know, because that's the number one thing that's slept on within, I don't know, the car community, I guess, is rallying. I think it's pretty fucking dope. And honestly, I hope I can actually build a proper rally car instead of, you know, the boys just getting in their cars and just bashing their cars around. But still, it's pretty fun. It's good fun at all. I hope you guys enjoyed what we did to Billy's Forester. He just bought it. By the time of that recording, he had it for about a month now. And the number one thing that needed to be done about it was the blow-off valve. It's crazy how much just like one mod can do for a car, especially an engine mod. This was actually my first time actually working on a Boxer engine, like pretty much, yeah, a Forester. Well, anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you guys, please like or subscribe. I need more feedback to know what I want or what people want to see. Fucking hot, 40 degrees when I'm recording this shit.